Today we're going to go over 5 things that successful people do that unsuccessful people do not do. And we're just going to jump right into them so you can implement them in your own life. So first and foremost, they are learning inclined. Successful people don't assume they know everything. They're constantly trying to improve their craft. As Confucius said, real knowledge is to know the extent of one's ignorance. Therefore, when you realize just how much you haven't mastered in a given subject, it really frees you to go out and perfect your craft. Also, to paraphrase Michelangelo, if people knew how hard I worked to achieve my mastery, they wouldn't think it was so amazing. So with that being said, I suggest that you read books, take courses, watch informative YouTube videos like this, or really informative videos across the board wherever the platform, like the one you're watching right now. And never assume that there isn't a level above where you are right now, no matter how high on that totem pole you might feel. And as always, if you're looking for books that I recommend, they're always linked in the description, which will take you to my website, to my recommended books tab. Number 2, successful people don't make excuses. At the end of the day, an excuse is really just a well-planned lie, isn't it? There's always going to be a reason not to do something. Imperfect action is better than no action at all, and successful people know that making mistakes are part of the path to success. Therefore, they understand that action is necessary to improve. Number 3, successful people understand that success is a marathon and not a sprint. Just like this YouTube game, success does not happen overnight. You attract success by the person that you become. Becoming a person of high value takes a lot of time and a lot of repetition. And only after you put in that time to become success-minded will you be able to attract success and realize potential opportunities around you that other people that haven't set the time to do that are not seeing. So successful people take action towards their goals every single day, no matter how big or small that action might be. Number 4, successful people set clear goals. Without goals, you're just floating around with no purpose. Successful people understand the value of setting goals and chasing them. Setting goals is like setting the coordinates of your plane, so to speak. If you have a destination, you might not be exactly 100% sure how you're going to get there, or the different birds or potential wind patterns you might encounter along the way. But you'll get there eventually. If you don't have any specific goals, you could be on Air Force One or the best plane in the world, but you still may never ever reach a desirable destination because you weren't clear in your intentions. Number 5, successful people take care of their bodies. A strong body typically means a strong mind. The two are usually synonymous. Both working out and eating healthy are vital for overall health. But not only that, will you see the added benefits on top of that of more vitality, energy, and happiness. And to be honest, nobody wants to be the rich guy in the graveyard. You could make $1 billion, you could make $100 billion, but if you don't have any life left to enjoy it at the end, what was it really all for? Have you ever asked yourself that? So there you have it, guys. 5 things, short and sweet, that successful people do that unsuccessful people don't. What do you think about these? Are you practicing these 5 things? Or maybe there's 1 or 2 that you need to work on implementing in your own life. Let me know down in the comments section below. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. It really, really helps the channel grow. Also, subscribe to this channel and hit that bell so you get notified when I put out more videos like this in the future. And I will see you tomorrow.